How's it going? My name is Evan, and in this video, I'm going to be giving my book review of Dotcom Secrets by Russell Brunson. And if you found any value inside of this video, I would highly appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. Also, like the video as well. Like the video. Thumbs up and liking are the same thing. I don't know what I'm talking about. But if you, I'm so awkward. If you want to leave me a comment and tell me how awkward I am, I would also appreciate that. And if you want to see some more entrepreneurship style videos and online digital marketing videos, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So you'll be getting 3 new videos a week if you subscribe to this channel. So please subscribe to this channel. But in this video, I'm going to be giving my book review of Dotcom Secrets. And wait, give me just 1 second. This book right here, I thought I had it like right beside, so I actually physically have a copy of Dotcom Secrets. And yeah, let's get right into it and my honest review of Dotcom Secrets. So number 1 element, and this is the best part about the book, and this is probably worth hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, for people to actually learn this element, and it is the attractive character element. So Russell Brunson takes you through a few different attractive characters of your offline persona to start engaging yourself in your online persona. So what that means is that you have to tell your own story first. You have to create your own avatar, so your own hero's journey, your own story, so that you can become the attractive character and get people to become attractive to you, essentially, so that you're able to grow your personal brand, you're able to sell as well. And that's probably one of the most important things that I've read in any sort of business book is the attractive character element. And so many people get this wrong. And it's such an amazing way for you to actually grow and develop your own character and not necessarily copy someone else. And it's about looking deep into yourself and finding out what kind of stories can I bring out that can relate to others, and what kind of stories can people join me in on my journey and kind of root and support for me and cheer me on. So that's why the attractive character portion is my favorite thing about this book. It's honestly, it's amazing. It's worth hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, just for that portion alone. And number 2, it's a quick read. It's only around 250 pages. It's not very long, so you can pretty much get it done in less than a week. You'll probably won't put this book down. As soon as you pick it up and you start reading it and you have a little bit of an idea about digital marketing, or you have no idea about digital marketing, it's a very quick read. You'll pick it up and you'll actually you'll just digest this book right away. You'll probably you probably won't put this down after the first 50 pages. You'll just zoom right through. It's a very quickly read, easy to understand, in great language, little stick figures as well that are inside there that Russell drew, which are pretty funny. I find them comical since he doesn't know how to draw. But it's a good background on Russell, his journey through digital marketing, and how he grew his online persona as well, and then morphed his own attractive character. And the attractive character, just to go back to it, you don't have to stay the same character. You can morph yourself into different characters throughout your journey, throughout your life's journey, be it with your business or be it with your own job life or whatever. You can start with one set of attractive character principles and then work your way to becoming someone else as well. That's the cool thing about being a person. And number 3, offline principles first. So I just kind of touched on the attractive character principles, but a book called Dotcom Secrets, you would have thought that this is just about online guru entrepreneurship stuff and digital marketing stuff, but Russell does an excellent job of trying to get you to understand about your offline principles first before going online. You need to write this stuff down on a piece of paper or on a or on a Google Drive Word document. Doesn't really matter, as long as you figure out what your offline principles are first before diving in and online, where you might be spending hundreds of dollars or wasting so much time trying to develop your online principles when you need to be doing this offline first. And that's why I found it very ironic that this book is called Dotcom Secrets when it actually should be called Offline Secrets instead. But this is a book to entice Russell's audience to buy into it. Anyone that's into online entrepreneurship, he really goes in deep about offline principles and how important they are. And I highly commend him. And I was not expecting that when reading this book. Number 4, there's a ton of value for the cost, so it's free shipping. So it's a free book plus shipping, which is $7. I believe if you're in the United States. If you're international like me, I think it's like $12 or something like that, which is still half the cost of what you would find on Amazon for this book. So I think on Amazon, this book retails for over $20. So it's actually a very good offer to get it through Russell's link. And just a heads up, I will be putting my affiliate link in here. I might get $1 or something like that if you click on the link and purchase the book through my page. But if you want to go and look it up yourself, just Google the Dotcom Secrets book if you're interested in buying it. I don't really care. It's $1. But if you want to help support myself and my channel, and you found some value from some of my content, I would greatly appreciate it. But if not, don't worry about it. There's a ton of value jam packed in those 250 pages, and it's only like it's a free book plus $7. But the reason why it's free plus shipping for the $7 is that the book is a bait offer to the middle sell, which is ClickFunnels, which is what Russell's actual selling point is of this book, because Russell introduces the value ladder, which is also an excellent portion of this book too. And he talks about bait offers, middle offers, and your high end offer. So Russell's high end offers is I believe to go to his I think seminars, his actual live seminars that he hosts once per year. I think this year it's in Nashville, Tennessee. And I think a ticket is over $1,000 to it, but he's able to sell a whole bunch of stuff that's all associated. And he also has a whole bunch of different products that are associated with ClickFunnels in order to help you and guide you in order to build your funnel. But you do have to remember that this book is a bait offer. So that's why he sells it for so cheap, why it's only like $7 for the shipping or whatever, and he eats the cost of it. But I thought he was going to sell ClickFunnels a lot more than what was inside this book. I think he only gave maybe a chapter at the end of this book to ClickFunnels. So if you wanted to like learn about ClickFunnels and stuff like that, this is a great book to use if you have a ClickFunnels account, so that you can learn a bit more about how to actually build out your offline funnel and then put it online. But just remember that when you get this book, it is a bait offer to gear you towards ClickFunnels. And I actually have if you're interested in ClickFunnels and purchasing ClickFunnels, I can save you a whole lot of money with this other video that I made, where you can actually get ClickFunnels for $19 per month with a shared funnel plan. It's pretty much like they don't advertise it at all, so it's kind of secretive. And a lot of my people who I work with, they actually tell me to stop promoting the $19 per month because I don't make as much money. But I'm not really in this to really make any money or anything like that. I'm in this to help you out and to share my journey of escaping the 9-to-5, escaping my corporate job. If you've watched some of my videos in the past, I explained that story about how I left my corporate job, which was kind of unfilled. It was a corporate media job here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And I just want to help out other entrepreneurs in their journey to escape the grueling where you're working your time instead of you're exchanging your time for money, when you should be just working really hard and building out your online presence, online funnels, and getting recurring income. For 1 month's worth of work, you should be able to get 11 months worth of money from that 1 month worth of work. So I'll link the video of getting ClickFunnels for $19 per month instead of $97 per month and $297 per month. So I'll link that down in the description and in the comment section down below. I'll also put a link to the Dotcom Secrets book down there, down in the description and in the comment section. But remember, you don't have to get that through me. You can just Google it and get Dotcom Secrets on your own. Don't feel like you have to get it through my link. I would just appreciate it if you found some value from some of my past videos. And yeah, no, just to wrap this up, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it valuable, I would very much appreciate if you do give me a thumbs up for this video, write a comment, tell me to get a haircut. Look how long my hair is right now. Tell me to get a haircut. Also subscribe, because I'm posting new online digital marketing, either book reviews just like this or my own journey throughout entrepreneurship every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So thank you guys so much for watching. And once again, my name is Evan, and I will catch you in the next video.